ناضي والله. أبرد. Hello guys, how are you doing? Has been a long time we didn't upload any video or just like talking to you. You know, as you know, I'm studying and so much stuff. Busy man, always is busy. That was from me. Anyway, today we're on a new hiking. Me and my friend, we're going to the Apple Fan Mountain that I wanted and like I wish it for to make a hike for and make an outdoor cooking and so much stuff. Made a campfire and filming there the beauty of nature and the beauty of trees, Willa Mountain. I don't know if you explain it good, but it's really too amazing there. And yeah, we will see together the views. Well, we're hiking right now, during the hike, because we're still hiking as you see. Yeah, this is really too amazing. I gotta say that some of you will remember this way, would remember this way, and yeah, because I've been through it, in one video, but it's not like the place, it's not the same place, it's another place that I'm going to, but the way is really too short from here to get our place. And I think you understand me. Anyway, it has been a long time, as I said, and it has been a long time that I didn't speak English, because right now I'm just like struggling with the grammar, so I'm really so sorry about that. It's my bad. Even if I was like checking, reviewing the lessons and watching series, but because I'm studying by French in another school of hotel management degree, so yeah, that's why. So see you guys and catch you in another spook. See you guys, I don't know what they call. It's really too amazing. I can't see them clearly by my eyes, but I don't know if you can see them clearly by the camera. But yeah, it's really too amazing. You can hear them voice from here. Yeah, let's go. It's really so cool here. Yeah, amazing. Hani bir bol kerim. Böyle nasıl lan? So yeah guys, we just met some young children, we asked them for the water, if there is a source of water here or anything. Well, they said there is a source of water but there, so but our spot is there actually, so we don't have any choice. So yeah. يا حميد. ما كاينش الغيصه صاحبي، والله ما كاينش غيصه. غير لحقاش عطنا لنا فهمتيني، نورمالمون راه كاين من الجهه الاخرى مناش كنا غنمشيو. نطلع نعومني. نجلسو حميد هنا. ها وشنو فيها؟ لا من الجهه الاخرى. هيا حميد نجلسو ليه؟
الغيس
بعدا حدا الماء. Check out, guys. لا تغني. لا هذيك ماشي دار. فوق ديال النصارى الى اخره. هذيك اللي كاينين من فوق.
انا راه فيهم بنادم. فيهم بنادم.
ما فهمت بنادم. خسرت الملكه صاحبي كدا.
والله الا فيهم ثلاثه.
وهذاك كرسي من النهار هاك كيتلهنا وانا كنشوفو تما.
حرب بالله.
والله يصحابنا راني كتيندو. يطلق هاد السياسة. هذا عندي حميد لله. طلع لك الدم. صافي قلنا لك اصاحبي الحله حنا تنوصلوا لهداك وغنخيطها. هي علاش كتغسلها؟ قال لك يا نوري عتيلتي نوري الهمين والهمين والهمين. سامحي يا يما سامحي سامحي. جات مع هاد الجواد. برع ورا برع حميد داك خونا ورا برع
بغيت شحال ما عرفتش.
حلو
بديت مخلطات.
ها؟ لا لا
قلت لك مخلطات.
وراه هذيك القرعه كدير فيها زيت الخضر داكشي باش دايرها هكاك.
انت لازم تصبر.
انا ترى كاين الملح ثلاث كيلو.
غادي ديما عكاز في فالوار يا ميقال غادي ديما عكاز في فالوار وذور توتو يخمغار مغار وذور توتو يخمغار كيخ انا كنغيلا وشولا ابراهيم كنغيلا
قدامنا في الخمسة. بس ما كذبش فيه. هاكا ما يجوز عليك تسمع. ذلك مشكلة.
نعم.
تمشي للخوي عندك يطاحل.
شنو هو؟
بطاطس والدك الكلاب خصو.